Okay, so here's my note, and I'm going to cut. I know the word book, so I'm going to cut the word book like this. Oh, and then here's another word, the, because it's one of our snap words. The. Harris. Here is a word, because that's what I use to tell where I am. I am here. So maybe now I can separate them a little bit, put some space in between them, and read it. So there's that one. There's that one. So let's try and read it together. Ready? Here is the book. So let's put these up on the easel. This way we can look at them while we do today's lesson, okay? Come on. So I have here is the, and the final word was book, because somebody left me a book. And that makes sense. They left this note with the book. So they were trying to say, here is the book that you asked me for. So when I cut it out and left some space in between each of the words, friends, it made so much more sense. And it made it easier for me to read. Now I understand the note. And I have to tell you something. Some of your writing looks like the note did at the beginning. Yeah, a lot of my friends are writing and smushing all their letters together. When they don't belong together, they have to have some space. Do you remember Spaceman? Yeah, we need to leave some space for Spaceman. So today I want to teach you that when writers write books and they write sentences in the books that other people are going to read, they make sure that between each word they leave a space, so that it is easy for them to read and it is easy for others to understand what they are trying to say in the book. Here, let me show you what I mean. Let's go ahead and let's keep going and add another page to our book about dancing, okay? The next page could read, look. But in order to leave space, I'm gonna use my index finger, my pointer finger, and I'm gonna put it down on the paper. This way I know that I can leave that amount of space. Watch. Look at, and then I use it again. Me. I use it again. Jump. Did you see how I used my finger to leave spaces between words? And as I wrote the word, I actually said it out loud so that I remembered what I was writing. Now my words aren't all smushed up together, and it's actually easy to read for somebody else. Let's read it together. Ready? Look at me jump. So it's your turn. I want you right here, right now, to write on any piece of paper that you would like. I would like for you to write, and we're going to add one more page to our book of dancing. And what I'd like for you to write, remember using that index finger to leave spaces, is look at me twist. So I'm going to write it here, all smushed up together, because I want you to see what it should not look like. It should not look like this, friends. This is too smushed up together. I cannot read it. All the words are just one big, long monster word. So what I'd like for you to do is I would like for you to grab a piece of paper, and it's your turn to write, look at me twist. But you're gonna use that pointer finger to leave spaces. You see how this does not have spaces? You're gonna write one word, leave a space, and then the other one, leave a space, and the other one, just like we did here together, where we said, look at me jump. Okay? Friends, I can't wait to see your writing page so that I can see you practicing using that pointer finger to leave some space. Make sure that you take a picture of your work. Look at me twist. Remember, spelling, you are being brave spellers right now. So as long as you did your best, that's enough for us. And so you're going to take a picture of it and put it right down here in Schoology for us, okay? Bye, friends. Remember to use that pointer finger.